Good morning, Cashew. Good morning. Good morning vlog. We're going to work out as a family. Hey, hi, Kyle. Oh, I'm getting shotgun? Wow. She's feeling generous this morning, ladies and gents.
Can you clean it? Oh boy. We're gonna send you here.
Hi. Sitting in the back of my own car. We're going to the gym and then we're going on a road trip. Yay! It's 9 a.m. All right, we are prepping for our road trip, right, Mom? Road trip. We're making, okay, no, that's a lie. We are putting a pre-made salad into containers.
No, I made it.
And we're bringing it for lunch. It's got some plant-based protein, healthy in here. So we're gonna mix it all together, put it in 2 containers because Kyle's not a favorite and he doesn't get salad.
I'm more concerning is this. No, I'm excited about this.
Ready? Beauty Guru, the plant-based protein. What is it? I don't know.
It's basically around an hour and 45 minutes to this place, and we're just going for, my mom has to pick up some things for a new job. My brother and I, there's a really cool flea market along the way, so we came.
And this is the fit, ladies and gents. We're all squeezing in Herbie for this road trip. Oh yeah, baby. Well, actually, that's a lie. I'm squeezing in the back.
It's like a literal snowstorm.
Mom told me to record this. Hey, squad. Hey.
We're like not even halfway there.
We've been driving for approximately 40 minutes. It's crazy stuff. Anything to say?
There's sunglasses in here.
Mom has a
You should try those on.
Sunglasses.
No one's hurt.
It's definitely fake.
Yes.
They're not fake. I bought them in Prada for God's sakes.
No, they are real. Lunchtime. Thanks, Keel.
Hold tight, people.
Oh God. Here we go. Woo! Tight turn. Update. We're 30 minutes away. Oh my God.
Holy crap, man.
Holy crap. This is a tight turn. Everyone's singing now. 5, 6, 7, 8. All my friends are wasted. Welcome to Hillsdale. On your right, we have a cemetery where my grades are buried. On our left, we have nothing.
Let's go for a swim.
What? Kyle won't sing with me. You want to take Kyle's part, Mom? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, I thought we were clapping together.
Clapping.
With you. All I want is to fall with you. We made it to our destination. Mom has to go do some work stuff, and Kyle and I are waiting in the car.
Just kidding, Mom's back.
Just kidding, she's back.
It says I'll pick up and delivery, but it's pointing like down the way. So I think we can probably go around the side of the building.
We're going around the side of the building. We're shooting at this great location. Yeah. Impromptu. This was our great photo shoot location. Mom's working, so we needed something to do.
Creating content for content creators.
Creating content for content creators. These men up here working were judging us very hard. And then people were coming in and out of here. It was real awkward, but...
The garbage man came.
Yeah, I almost put my camera on top of that garbage and literally 5 seconds later a guy came and flipped it up. I think I would have been like, bye.
No, sir.
I was like, that was a $900 camera.
Flex.
Not a big deal. So it's snowing a lot, but we're at the flea market. Kyle's about to get some lenses.
Whoop, whoop.
Hopefully. Oh wow, it's like really snowing.
It's really snowing.
Let's go. Hey guys, we're in the flea market. Exploring. I don't know what I'm looking at. Yeah. Sugar-free vanilla iced coffees, please. Skim milk.
I'm seeing 20 nuggets on there.
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
You see that?
Wait, did she put medium?
Can we get a timid? Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. These are mediums. I knew it.
I swear she said small.
I knew it. No, because the screen said medium.
I don't even know what she charged me.
We were home for about 5 minutes. Now we're back out because we have to grab some things from the dollar store for Mom's show. Okay. Alright, we just got back from the dollar store and I'm just gonna chill for a good while because I'm exhausted. We're making overnight oats. I put mine in a protein thing because I don't have the jar, so let's start.